Part number 294134. It's the perfect thing for putting your exhaust back together. Gives you 4 of these guys right here. And a little tool. This little thing right here, which is absolutely useless. Crushed it on the first one. That's my first one right there. Use that little piece of crap. I should have just grabbed my tool, which is this tool right here, which is made for straps. So I used my tool and got that one on, and I've got that one on, and she looks pretty right there. Nice and closed up, clamped up tight, welded up tight, and ready to go back on the machine. So that's actually what I'm heading out to do right now. I should have done this one as a short video, but it technically is. All right, stay tuned, guys, for hearing this thing on my 2020 Sportsman 850 Premium Trail, and can't wait to hear it.